Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or better yet, your channel. A special shout out to everyone watching this video. Today, I'm going to show you exactly where to find the location and the specific firing order of the cylinders inside a Volkswagen Jetta from the model years 2011 all the way to 2015. What we are looking at right here is a standard 2-liter inline 4-cylinder engine setup that is very common for this vehicle. To find out the location and firing order of the cylinders, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the car, open the hood, then look at the front of the engine. Regarding the specific physical location and the sequential order of the components, they would be positioned as follows. The 4 individual cylinders are carefully arranged in a row numbered from 1 to 4, moving sequentially from the left side over to the right side. So it would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. This arrangement is, as I mentioned before, if you're standing in front of the engine, this would be your left and this would be your right. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is on the left side, meaning on the passenger side. Next, cylinder number 3 fires. After that, cylinder number 4 fires. This one's on the right side, on the driver's side. And finally, cylinder number 2 fires. Well, folks, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.